Okay, let's start. The today topic is logic gates. Logic gate basically are basic building blocks of digital computers. Means are millions of the circuits combined with each others to make a computer. These logic gates operate on two voltage levels, low or high. Yeah, 0, 1. When the voltage is low, it's mean the binary number is 0, and when the voltage level is high, it's mean the binary number is 1. And process digital signals which present binary digits is 0 and 1. Next, digital logics. Digital logics is a fundamental in creating electronic devices. Clear? Like a calculator. These circuits, yeah, these digital circuits are using in a calculator to make a computer, digital watch, and a microwave, and machines. Also used to circuit of large number of the logic gates. There are three types of the basic logic gates. The first one is AND gate. This is the symbol of the AND gate. Second one is the OR gate. And the third one is NOT gate. Clear? There are three basic gates. The first one is the AND gate. Truth table. What is truth table? A truth table represents a digital logic circuits in table forms. It shows how logic circuits output respond to all the possible combinations of the input using logic 1 for true and 0 for false. Means each gate has two or more than two inputs. These are the inputs of gates and only a single output. Clear? When you are inserting values in the truth table, we have combined, the best possible combinations. Means suppose this one is 1. If this one is 1, then look the circuit. If this one is 0, then look the circuits. When both are 0, then look the circuit. Clear? So the possible combinations of the input device using logics to make a truth table. The first one is the AND gate. In this gate, two inputs or more than two inputs are there and only a one single outputs. AND gate use a multiple sign like this. AND gates are also using in a series circuit. This one means when the switch is closed, the current will flow in the circuit. Clear? The equation of this gate is F is equal to X dot Y. Clear? The one input like this. Suppose input A is a X and input B is suppose a Y. Clear? So input A and B, here we are using two inputs. And this one is the truth table. How to write the data in the truth tables? The first we will 1, 2, and 3. We need 3 columns. 1, 2, and 3. We need 3 columns. Clear? The first one, if the input A is 0, the value of input A is 0, and the input value of input B is also a 0, means both input is closed, open, not a close, open. Clear? Then what will be the output? Output is as there is no output in the system. Clear? So if A and B both are 0, then the output will also a 0. Clear? If suppose if A is 0 but B is 1, it means A is 0 means A is open and B is closed. Then what will be the output? These are the series circuits. Series circuit means the flow only in one directions. Clear? So if the path is open, suppose this one is a 1 and this one is a 2. If current is one is closed and current is flowing, but when they reach it here, it's open. This is a 0, it's mean open. Okay? Then no current will be reached at the level. Okay? So output will be 0. Okay? A is 0, B is 1, then the output will be 0. But we reverse it. If the input A is 1 at this time, now the value of input B is 0, then what will be the output? Again 0, because now this one is closed but this one is open. Then also current doesn't flow in the series. Clear? In AND gate, only a current flow in the circuit when both input is closed, means when the value of input A is 1 and value of input B is 1, then the output will be 1. In the rest case, all are zeros and only this one is 1. Okay? Here I am giving the tip how to insert this table. First you will draw the 3 columns and possible combination 1 2 3. एक 1 इसको on किया, इसको on किया, 00 11. Clear? 1 2. If there is 2 inputs, when we have 4 possible combinations. Clear? If we have 2 inputs, then how many possible combination is 4. If we have 2 inputs, note down girls, if we have 2 input, then in the truth table the 4 possible combinations are there. 1 2 3 4. How to write it? The first one, suppose A 00 11 and 0101. Clear? 00 11 0101. इस तरह आप लर्न याद कर रख सकते हैं इसको. Clear? Or now apply the formula. The sign is multiply. 0 multiply by 0, 0. Okay? Look, A and B. Okay? 0, the value of A is 0, multiply by value of B is 0, then what will be the output? 0. If the value of A is 0, but the value of B is 1, we will multiply it, the value again 0 due to the sign of multiplication. And third possible combination, if this one is 1, but now this one is 0, again the output is 0 due to the multiplication sign. But when both value is 1, okay, then the output is 1. How? Share another screen. Look. F is equal to A dot B. This one is the equation. Clear? So when the value at the first time, when the value of A is 0 dot 0, then what will be the output? Obviously, output will be 0. Clear? But when A is 1 but B is 0, then again 0. But now at this time 0, A is 0, now B is 1, again 0. When A is 1 and B is also 1, then the output is 1. Clear? Girl, note down this example. This is the main function of the AND gate. The truth table of the AND gate, we will find 3 zeros and only a single one. When you have note down it, inform me.
मैम इसकी समझ नहीं आई.
किसकी?
इस टॉप ये जो अभी आपने एग्जांपल करवाई है.
क्या चीज नहीं आई? आस्क क्वेश्चन.
मैम ये f इज इक्वल्स टू a b है तो फिर 0 आपने ये हमने वैल्यू खुद डालनी होगी.
नहीं, ये कल का इंट्रो था, दुआ आपका मिस हुआ ना. कंप्यूटर ओनली अंडरस्टैंड द.
जी मैम नहीं लिया था मैंने.
ठीक है, सुन लिया था. ओके. Computer is only understand the 0-1 languages. Clear? When we press the values, computer convert into the 0 or 1. Clear? Basically,
Yes.
these are the circuits. These are the circuits. ठीक है? When this 0 का मतलब क्या था? 0 means 0 off या false. ये तीनों सेम है. Clear? 0 off, 0 होगा या ऑफ होगा. स्विच है ना आपके, आप स्विच ऑफ कर दो, क्या होगा? What will be happen? The light is off. If you, ठीक है, when you turn switch on करेंगी, but then what will be happen? When you on the switch, it means that the light is क्या होगा? When you switch on करेंगी, the light is on now. Dua, hello. Hello girls.
जी मैम.
समझ आ रही है? And switch on, जब switch on करती है तो क्या होता है?
Yes.
When turn on this light, जब आप switch
लाइट ऑन हो जाती है.
हाँ, बिल्कुल यही बात कर रही हूँ ना. तो it means the value at this time, the value will be 1. When you switch off the light, the value will be 0. ठीक है? And input 1 is the one switch and input 2B is the second switch. These two switches we have applied in the circuit. Clear? Diagram में एक circuit है. These two are the switches. If this switch is off and this switch is on, light will be on? No, because current is not flowing in the system. करंट जो है फ्लो ही नहीं कर रहा, क्योंकि करंट यहां से आएगा. क्लियर? और यहाँ पे स्टॉप हो जाएगा क्योंकि स्विच ऑफ है. ठीक? तो लाइट ऑन ही नहीं होगी, वैल्यू विल बी 0. Got it? Input A and input B both are the input A and input B both are the switches, in which when a single switch is off, the output will be 0. When both switch will be on, then the output will be 1. ठीक है, तो इसी को मैंने ड्राई रन किया था ये व्हाइट बोर्ड पे. This one. When switch A is off, switch B is off, then no light is there. Clear? The value will be off. If हमने multiply करना है, this in the AND gate.
Yes.
If A is on but B is off, then again there is no current in the system. The value will be off. Clear? But if this A is off, now B is on, then again no current in the system and there is no light. But
मैम अगर दोनों लाइट्स ऑन होंगी तो फिर करंट फ्लो होगा.
yeah, बिल्कुल in the series circuit. ठीक है, like this. When A is on,
जी.
ठीक है, this switch will be on, the value is 1, and then B is another switch, this will on. When both switches will on, it's mean that current is flowing in the circuit and the light is on. Clear? और अब इसको अगर हम मैथमेटिकली पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से देखें तो क्या है, 0 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 0 0, 1 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 0 0, 0 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 1 0, 1 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 1 is equal to 1. This is the equation.
1.
And this is called truth table. And this is the possible combination of the inputs. कि हम 2 input से ले कितनी possible combination कर सकते हैं. ठीक है, फर्स्ट इसको ऑफ कर लिया, पहले दोनों को ऑफ कर लिया, देन चेक द वैल्यू, फिर इसको ऑन इसको ऑफ, देन चेक द वैल्यू, फिर इसको ऑन इसको ऑफ, देन चेक द वैल्यू, and then both will be on, then check the value. So when we have 2 inputs, then the possible combination of the truth table is 4, and this one is the definition of the truth table. The possible combination of the inputs in the table. ये टेबल बन गया ना, क्लियर? यहाँ पे A लिख लें, यहाँ B is equal to F. Now clear? Guys, now clear or not?
Yes.
Okay, move to next gate.
Yes मैम आ गई समझ.
ठीक है.
Okay.
This ये भी नोट डाउन कर लें, because this is the mathematically and this one is the truth table. When both will be on, is the output will on. और आप इसको लिखने का मेथड जो है वो ये है 0 डॉट, आप ऐसे लिख लेना, मैं आपको बताती हूँ. Now look this one. 2 input, 2 switches. Zero, 0, 0. तो आप ऐसे लिखेंगे A, याद करने के लिए the value of switch 1 0011, B 0101. The output 3 zeros and only a single one. Okay. Second is a OR gate. In the OR gate, if it has if two inputs are in the OR gates contain two or more than two inputs and only one output. The sign used in OR gate is plus, and OR gate are using in parallel circuits. AND gate is using in the series circuit, but the OR gate is using a parallel circuit. The equation of this circuit is F is equal to A plus Y. Means here we will add the value. This one is the circuit. In this circuit there is parallel, means this one is one series and this one is another series. Clear? When this is closed, now this one is the symbol of the OR gate. Clear? Two input, only a one single output. Suppose this one is the A.
शोरी
What happened?
शोरी
Hmm?
स्क्रीन नहीं आ रही ऊपर
दुआ क्या समझ नहीं आ रही?
नहीं स्क्रीन नहीं शो हो रही
स्क्रीन शेयर नहीं हो रही भाई.
आपने जो लिख रही है वो नहीं आ रहा ऊपर
मैं कुछ भी स्लाइड है. Slide is not visible.
नो
Okay, again show you. Now दुआ अब आ रही. Okay,
अब ये
ठीक है. OR gate. Two inputs OR gates, truth table look like this. Okay. In this gate, two or more than two inputs and only one a single output. Two inputs. This one the symbol of it, like a little bit curve. And this is the shape of the OR gate. OR gate using a parallel circuits, and the equation is, and the sign denote of OR gate is the plus sign. Clear? Means F is equal to X plus Y. It's mean that okay, now these switches will be added. Clear? Now look, this is a parallel circuit. AND gate में series था, इसमें parallel. Means ये switch A, switch B. Clear? Switch A and switch B. If this switch is off and this switch is also off, means both switch is off, then obviously no current will be flow in this circuit. The output will be 0. Clear? 0, 0, 0. This is the first. Second one, when input A is off, means 0, but input B is on, is the value is 1. Clear? It means that if the current is flowing in this circuit is open, okay, means the value is 1, then no current flow in the circuit. Okay, the current move forward, move over this circle, and this one is closed, and now the current is flow. Clear? It means that 0, 1, 1. Clear? Means 0 plus 1 is obviously 1. Clear? But now in the next case, when the input of A is 1, means the circuit is closed, but now at this time the circuit of B is open. Clear? The current is flow in this circuit like this. Clear? And now in this part there is no current. It means that 1, 0. Clear? 1, 0. The output will be 1 because we are using the plus sign. But in the next case, when both will be on close, then the circuit, then the current flow in both parts. This part also and this part is also. Clear? obviously 1 plus is equal to 1. 2 नहीं करना. 1 plus 1 is equal to 1. Clear? So again,
वन
या
प्लस वन वन क्यों होगा?
जी
2 होता है. 1 + 1 2 नहीं होता, तो फिर 1 क्यों
हमने यहाँ पे ये कंप्यूटर है, हमने इसमें मैथ अप्लाई नहीं करना कि 1 + 1 is equal to 2. हमने सिंपल ये देखना है कि when switch 1 and switch A and switch B both is closed, because these are switches now, not a value. When these two switches is closed, the current is flow and we will get the output. ठीक है? It means that when the switch is on, off, when the switch is on, the value is 1. When the switch is off, value is 0. Clear? In this case. But when the switch is on, both switches is on, obviously light will be in the room or not. जब दोनों स्विच आप लाइट रूम के ऑन कर दोगे तो दोनों चीजें चलेंगी ना. हमने सिर्फ आउटपुट देखनी है, हमने इनको ऐड नहीं करना. These are not a values, these are the switches. ठीक है? तो 1 is equal to 1. It means इसमें भी लाइट है, इसमें भी लाइट है, तो obviously हम रूम रोशन है. Clear? Okay. And the next third basic gate is a NOT gate. Okay, मैं इसके आपको थोड़ा सा वो भी कर दूं. इसमें suppose F is equal to A plus B. ठीक है? Now 1 because 0 is equal to, because 0 plus 0 and is equal to 0 plus 1. The output will be 1. One plus 0. Next, 1 is equal to 1 plus 1. So 1 plus 1. Clear? In this case, only a single 0. ठीक है? But here is a 3 1. This one is the opposite of the AND gate. In AND gate case 3 0 and 1 out 1, but in this case only a single 0 and a 3 1. Clear? Okay. 3 1 and only a single 0. Clear? Note down this, and this is a truth table. Note down it, girls. Note down it. Okay, move to the screen. Clear? 3 1 and single 0. Or guys, note down these things. Okay, OR gate is a parallel circuit and the AND gate is a series circuit. This concept is not in your book. For your easiest way for remembrance. Clear? And the next one is NOT gate. The NOT gate performs the function of inversion, that is why I call it inverter. Okay? Means NOT gate is also called inverters. Screen is visible, girls? NOT gate is also called a inverter. Why? Because has the function of inversions. NOT gate contain only a single input and only a single output. Clear? This gate is high only, means one only when the input is low. Clear? It's totally different. When the input is 1, the output is 0. When the input is high, output is low. The equation is x is equal to x bar. Clear? Is denoted by the over bar. Okay, and this is the symbol of NOT gate, symbol triangle, and only a single input and single output. Means when the value of x is 0, understood that the value of y is 1 because it has the function of inversions. It inverts the values. Clear? But when the input is 1, understood is that the output is 0. Clear? Note down this, girls.